Hello YouTube, Gold Silver Strength here. Today we're going to discuss Adobe stock, ticker symbol ADBE, and whether or not you should buy it today. If you are not subscribed to the channel, please do so down below. It'll really help us continue to grow and continue to produce more helpful videos. And make sure you hit the like button down below so that YouTube knows you are enjoying the content. So let us discuss Adobe stock with relationship to the moving average cross. So let's zoom out a little bit up and towards the start of 2020. And very clearly, I can see that Adobe stock has three types of movement in relationship to the moving average cross. The first one is on a bullish trend. It likes to extend away from the 9-day moving average, but after a while, it will consolidate on the 9-day moving average and then continue to try to break away, consolidate, and try to break away again. The second pattern I'm seeing right now is when it does break this momentum, it will dip below down the 26-day moving average and then really chop and be very volatile. You can see that since the end of February of 2020 and up until mid-March of 2020, lots of choppiness, and then the end of that was this long doji, and it continued to chop sideways and didn't chop down since then. Then it formed a bullish cross, and it tried the first pattern again, extended away from the 9-day moving average, back to the 9-day moving average. This is the start of May, extended away from the 9-day moving average, then it came back. Extended away, came back, extended away, then came back, extended away, and then it looked to try to test the second pattern, but really this is a third pattern where it chopped sideways. It didn't quite break the 26-day moving average, but it instead chopped sideways, and then you can see this channel forming going towards the right, and then now it's going back to the first pattern, chopping up and away from the 9-day moving average, and now it is in between the 9-day and 26-day moving average. So this leads us to our general patterns and resistance. We can see that there is a ceiling right here at around $535, but then you also have this bottom right here at around $490. So that is just some levels of support and resistance for you. But I think the more interesting story is these highs right here. They form a nice channel for Adobe to keep on chopping. So really, Adobe formed a channel going upward, and it's currently in the middle of the channel, right around where the 9-day moving average is. So this is a very nice position for swing traders or channel traders to scalp the top ends of the channel and to place positions based off how confident they are that Adobe will continue to follow this pattern. The channel is not too thin and it's not too large. I think it's one of the perfect sizes for a channel to be, especially when it's going upwards. So this is a very good position to be in, especially if you want to trade this channel and trade this pattern. Looking for time patterns for Adobe. Adobe doesn't seem to have one. All I see that it likes to form channels, have resistance zones, have support levels, and that's where most of your bread and butter for Adobe will be. Maybe other stocks have more time pattern friendly price actions, but Adobe will not be one of those stocks. In terms of Fibonacci retracements, let's see how far back Adobe retraced, and it will continue on this upward momentum. So we'll use the lows here where it formed many bottom dojis at around 420, and then we'll go to the highs formed in early September. So we see that Adobe on that Friday of September 4th, 2020, it just touched the 50% retracement level and then bounced. I would say around the 50% and 61% retracement level are very likely levels for stocks to do a reversal, and those are very good buying opportunities. So if you miss that, it's gonna be a bit tricky for you because now you'll end up chasing the stock, and that's not very good in terms of any trading pattern. Right now, it's comfortably sitting around a 38% retracement level. Still some upside for you, but not as much if you bought it at the 50% retracement. But overall, the Fibonacci retracement confirmed that Adobe is still on a bullish momentum, and even with the supporting bullish cross at August 6, 2020, it's just going uphill from here, it looks like. So overall, Adobe for the very short term looks to continue its upward momentum. It has tested the channel on the bottom right here, formed on Friday's close. It has touched the 50% retracement level on the Fibonacci retracement. It is comfortably sitting at our line floor at around 490. It just has a lot going for it for the upside right now for the short term and midterm. And I don't really see any other situation for Adobe other than going up. But of course, as traders, you need to manage your risk. So if Adobe does not continue on the upside, where is the potential price target for it to go? Again, it's on the bottom of the channel. You can expect it to hit 470 in terms of a line pattern, also around 470. So 470 does seem like a very probable price floor for it to stop at. The 26-day moving average is around that point. So really, we're looking at a 26-day moving average bounce, which Adobe does show in the past is very likely to do. All these bottom tails right here are where Adobe bounced up and continued to ride the first pattern where it tries to break away from the 9-day moving average, but it'll ultimately want to rest a little bit and consolidate a little bit before the next break. So again, I hope this analysis helps you guys, and thank you for listening. Are you tired of losing in trading and investing? Check out my videos where I do a bare bones analysis on just the price action. No fancy indicators, no gimmicks, just trend analysis and winning here. And I'll see you guys in the next video.